What's up everybody, I'm Brian with the DroneMobile team, and today I'm going to show you guys the Drone X1MAX. The X1MAX adds advanced security and GPS tracking to any one of our First Tech and Remote Start security products. One of the best features of the X1MAX is that it adds smartphone control to any one of our Remote Start and security systems, including CompuStart, Arctic Start, New Start, and FTX. You can get this product at any one of our authorized retailers. We have a vast network of over 2,000 dealers across the nation. If you haven't visited one of our retailers before, you can go to our Find a Dealer page, linked below. Within this box, we have our installation manual. And then we have the Drone X1 module. And on this guy here, we have 3 LEDs. One tells you the power, the other is the GPS status and the network connectivity. And then on the front side of this is the connection ports. And so included in the box is 2 harnesses. One is our data cable that connects to our First Tech Remote Start and security systems. And then the other is our OBD CAN harness. And then last, after the installation is complete, your installer will attach this keychain that has your serial number. And you'll use this to register your DroneMobile product within the app. So now we're going to demo the shock sensor of the X1MAX. I'm going to start by arming the system. There we go. And so let's go ahead and demo that first stage. And so you see here, we got the notification for the first stage impact. And now we're going to demo the second stage impact. And that concludes the demo for the shock sensor for the Drone X1MAX. If you want to install this as just GPS tracking, you can. We offer a standalone harness that offers lock and unlock as well. For more information about GPS tracking and any of the other cool features that we talked about in today's video, be sure to check out the link below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.